How to make a public profile on Snapchat in 2024. Alright, so what you have to do is click on your camera. Then once you click on your camera, you just have to take a picture. Then once you take a picture, what you have to do is you have to click on send to. Then you're going to scroll down till you see my story public. Just click on OK. It should be the second option. So the first option is going to be friends only. The second option is going to be my story public. Just click on that. Now you're just going to send it. Then once you sent it, you're going to go back, go over here, scroll down slowly. Now you're going to scroll down. Then once you scroll down, you have public profile right here. Public profile is my public profile. Just click on that. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on that. Click on OK. And now you are in your public profile, and that's how you get public profile on Snapchat in 2024. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe.